There are USB ports on the front here and also on the side. One that I want to show you is if you hook up a USB cable, you can plug in a phone and display it on this. This does depend on what kind of phone you have. I have a Samsung that uses DeX. So once I plug in my phone, it's going to open up DeX. It's going to automatically switch to the USB-C connection. And now with my phone plugged in, I can use DeX on here so I can open something like YouTube. If I want to watch YouTube, I could come here, I could open a video and really quick watch YouTube. You can also plug in a computer, so I will go ahead and plug in my computer. This also has HDMI on the front, so let me go ahead and plug in HDMI. And now I can plug in my computer, and as soon as I plug in my computer, it recognizes it and it's going to switch the input to my computer so I can use my computer very easily that way. But let's go one step further, and let's say I want to use this screen to control my computer. It also comes with this touch port, so I will plug this in here, then plug this into the USB port of my computer so I can still control my computer like I could before. But now I can also use the touch functionality to control my computer from this screen. So that's a really cool feature. If you hook up your computer, you can easily control it this way. And if you plug in a wireless keyboard like this, then you could also use a mouse and control it that way. This is the NewBoard FreeChat. It is a speaker and mic. So I have it plugged in right now to USB-C, and I just have it plugged into a port on the back. So I can use this for the mic with the TV. But say I was in a conference room and I wanted the mic to be in the middle of the room, you can also connect this via Bluetooth. NewBoard also makes a webcam called the EasyCam, which is here. So if I wanted to do a video conference call, I can just plug in this webcam to one of the USB ports, and then it is good to go. This is another great thing to have for a conference room. Suppose you wanted to record the screen and use your webcam at the same time. I've got this X Recorder Lite app that allows me to select the webcam, and then when I select the webcam, you can see in the corner here, I've got a little window that has the webcam. So I could record directly here in this app, or you can use the built-in screen recorder, which is what I'm doing right now. So if I wanted to show my face as I'm doing things on here, I could move this window wherever I want, and then I could do different things, like I could open the whiteboard app and then I still have my face talking. So I could talk into the camera like this while I draw on the screen. So this is a nice way that you can use the webcam and you can record the screen at the same time.